Om Namah Shivaya. Om Sri Sai Ram. Welcome to this beautiful Omkar Turiya meditation presented to you by Girisha Yoga Foundation. So, certain few requisites for this beautiful meditation, which we are going to, which will be imparted to you. And it's a few things that you need to kindly observe. Please make sure that you turn off all your cell phones, any timers, any alarm clocks, anything you want to, kindly turn it off so that it doesn't disturb you or your thought process is not interfered by these gadgets or electronic devices. Also, very importantly, have at least food at least 2 hours before you start this meditation, or when you want to practice this meditation, anytime. So today is a very auspicious day. On this auspicious day of Mahashivratri, please practice this as I teach you this meditation technique. Om Sri Sai Ram, Om Namah Shambhave, Om Namah Shivaya. So let's begin. Thank you. Sit straight. Keep your spine erect. Before you close your eyes, make sure you keep your spine erect. Your hands should be loose, very loose on your knees. Sit in Padmasana with Dhyana Mudra. And just concentrate. Look straight ahead. Lift your chin held a little high. Close your eyes. Keep on lifting your chin a little high until you see a small clearing in between your eyebrows. Stop there. Not too high, just a little. Close your eyes. Let go of all the thoughts you acquired on this day. Slowly, by breathing, with this feeling, thinking, all your thoughts are dissipating. As you breathe in, inhale, positive energy is entering in. Exhale, all thoughts, negative energies are going out. Normal deep inhalation or exhalation. Calming your mind, calming your energies. Focusing your thought frequency to the minimal level. Bringing down the thought frequency to the minimal level. Deep inhalation. Focusing your attention around the navel region, the abdominal region. Focusing your attention on the Manipuraka, about 1 inch below the navel region, the umbilicus. Here is the Manipuraka. Imagine bright energy, white colored energy. Imagining the Manipuraka energies as you inhale and as you exhale, the energies are rising from the Manipuraka along your spinal root and through your mouth. The Akar is being chanted as you exhale. Once again, Concentrate on the Manipuraka chakra, Manipuraka. Inhale, exhale and chant Akar, concentrating on Manipuraka. Complete exhalation. Deep inhalation, concentrate on Manipuraka. Exhale and chant Akar slowly. Deep inhalation, concentrating on the abdominal region. Exhale. Deep inhalation. Exhale through the mouth and chant Akar simultaneously. Deep inhalation. Concentrating on Manipuraka. Deep inhalation. Exhale through the mouth, concentrating on Manipuraka, bright colored energy. Deep inhalation. Close your mouth. Keep on inhaling or exhaling normally. Now slowly focus your attention to the throat region. The sound is Ukar. I repeat, focus your energies in the throat region, the bright colored energies in the throat region along the spinal root. The sound to be chanted is Ukar or Yukar. Deep inhalation. Chanting Ukar from the mouth. As you exhale, concentrate on the throat region. Deep inhalation. Continued concentration on the throat region. Exhale, Ukar. Deep inhalation. Inhale through the nostrils. Inhale or exhale deeply, normally. Focusing your attention along the spinal root. Now concentrate on the Agna chakra or the Agna in between the eyebrows. Is the Agna a bright colored energy, light? Concentrating a deep inhalation or exhalation. A deep inhalation. Exhale through the nostrils or the mouth and chant Makar through the lips. Close your lips and exhale through the nostril and chant Umkar or Makar, producing the vibration. Deep inhalation. Exhale through the nostril, concentrate in between the eyebrows, bright colored energy. Close your lips and exhale and chant Umkar. Deep inhalation. Concentrating on the Agna in between the eyebrows. Exhale through the nostrils. Close your lips. Deep inhalation. Deep inhalation through the nostrils. Exhale through the nostril, concentrate on the Agna in between the eyebrows, chant Umkar. Deep inhalation. Observing the situation, sensations on the lip region and the in between the eyebrows, the Agna, bright colored white light. Now we are going to combine and chant these three sounds, which are the sounds of the universe, sounds of the yogis, sounds of the rishis, sounds of the sages. Sounds of the cosmic energy which is in the creation. U, is chanted by opening the mouth as you exhale. U is also chanted by opening the mouth as you exhale. Is done through the lips, closing the mouth and exhaling through the nostrils, respectively. Concentrating Akar in the abdominal region, 1 inch below the umbilicus is the Manipuraka. Ukar from the throat region, the Vishuddhi, focusing the attention. Umkar in between the eyebrows, the Agna, and closing your lips and exhaling through the nostrils. Deep inhalation, complete exhalation. Deep inhalation, focusing your energies on the abdominal region, the Manipuraka. Akar through the mouth as you exhale. Ukar through the mouth as you exhale continuously. Concentrate on throat region. Umkar, continuing the exhalation, concentrating in between the eyebrows. So let's do this now. Deep inhalation. Continuously we'll do this in one stroke. Concentrate on abdominal region, Akar, Ukar, throat region, Mkar by closing the lips, focusing in between the eyebrows. Deep inhalation. Exhale. Concentrate on abdominal region. Concentrate on throat region. Concentrate on lips in between the eyebrows. Exhale. Deep inhalation. Deep inhalation. Deep inhalation. Exhale. Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Staying in the stillness, the vibrations created within yourself. Every cell, every nerve junction, every nadi is vibrating with Omkar. Observing millions and millions and millions of Omkars in every cell, nerve, gland of your body, mind, the brain region. Your entire mind is filled with Omkars. Looking in between the Agna, in between the eyebrows, the Om, a silvery, shiny colored or a gold colored Om. Deep inhalation, exhale slowly. Your entire body is moving now, coming in contact with the ground or the floor where you are sitting. Your body is moving now. Slowly join both your hands together, rub it briskly. Place your lower part of your palm very lightly on your eyes, slowly to the sideward. Slowly blink your eyes and very gradually open it. Blink your eyes gradually and look at the deity's picture your Guru's picture, Bhagwan Sri Satya Sai Baba, or the Guru whom you worship. Namaskaram. Thank you so much for attending this beautiful meditation. Please practice every day if you can. It will give you a lot of bliss, happiness and very good health. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Sri Sai Ram. Om Namah Shambhave. Thank you.